Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Podcast. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're diving into phrasal verbs you can use in your daily routine.
Right, but before we start, let's explain what a phrasal verb actually is.
A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a small word, usually a preposition or adverb, that changes the meaning of the original verb. For example, wake up means to stop sleeping. You can't really understand it by looking at the word wake alone. It's the combination that gives the meaning.
Exactly. And the best part is, we use phrasal verbs all the time in daily life, especially when talking about routines, errands, or hanging out with friends.
Before we dive in, a quick call to action for our listeners. If you want to sound more fluent in English, grab a notebook and write down each phrasal verb we talk about today and try to use it in your own sentences.
Yes. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast so you can catch every episode and level up your English naturally.
Perfect. Now let's jump into today's lesson, phrasal verbs for your daily routine.
So let's start with something simple. Wake up.
Yes, wake up just means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Right. And you can also say, I can't wake up without my coffee. Funny, but relatable.
Definitely relatable. Next, we have get up.
Isn't that similar to wake up?
A little different. Wake up is when your eyes open, but get up is when you actually get out of bed. Like, I woke up at 7, but I didn't get up until 7:30.
Ah, that makes sense. I always mix those two.
It happens. And also many of us love to sleep in on weekends.
Right. Sleep in means staying in bed later than usual. For example, I usually sleep in until 9 a.m. on Saturdays.
Exactly. People usually sleep in on weekends or holidays when they don't have to wake up early.
Another one that's common in the morning is freshen up. After getting up, you might freshen up.
Oh, yes. That's like washing your face or brushing your teeth to feel fresh. For example, I'll freshen up before breakfast.
Then maybe do a quick workout. Like, I work out for 30 minutes in the morning to stay healthy.
Love that. And after your workout, you might take out the trash or drop off the kids at school.
Yes. Takeout is usually used for trash, like I take out the trash every morning. And drop off is to take someone or something to a place and leave them there.
It's the opposite of pick up. I need to pick up some vegetables on my way home.
I usually pick up my kids from school every evening. Pick up means to collect or bring them back.
Perfect. Then, maybe you head out for work, check in at the office, and catch up on emails.
And after work, some people like to eat out. I eat out with friends on Fridays.
And the evening routine could be, after dinner, I wind down with a book, brush my teeth, and turn in by 11. Wind down means to relax or gradually stop being active or stressed, especially after working or doing something busy.
After work, I like to wind down with some music.
We watched a movie to wind down after a long day.
Exactly. You're still awake, just relaxing and letting go of the stress.
Right. And once you're done winding down, that's when you turn in, meaning you actually go to bed.
So we can say I usually wind down around 10 and turn in at 11.
Perfect example. Think of it like this. First you wind down, then you turn in.
That's such a nice, peaceful way to end the day. calm your mind, relax your body, and finally get some good sleep.
Exactly. And now our listeners know how to use both wind down and turn in naturally in their daily routine. See how many phrasal verbs we just naturally used? That's the trick. You learn them in context.
Exactly. Now let's introduce a few more fun ones. Drop by is great for casual visits.
Yes, I might drop by my friend's house after work. Drop by means to visit someone briefly, usually without a formal appointment.
Sometimes I drop by my parents' house on my way home.
Then we have put on and take off for clothes or accessories, etc.
Simple, but essential. I put on my jacket before leaving, and I take off my shoes when I enter the house.
Put on and take off are opposite to each other.
Great. And sometimes we call up someone to chat. I called up my friend last night.
Call up means to phone or contact someone by phone. For example, I'll call up my friend tonight to talk about the trip.
Or look after someone or something. I look after my pets on weekends.
Look after means to take care of someone or something. I look after my little brother when my parents are away.
Sometimes after work, I like to hang out at a coffee shop for a bit.
Hang out means to spend time relaxing or socializing, usually with friends or family. On weekends, I like to hang out with my friends at the park.
I just hung out at home all day, relaxed at home, did nothing special.
See, phrasal verbs are everywhere. Let's try a full routine example with all our phrasal verbs. Ready?
Go ahead.
On Saturdays, I sleep in until 9 a.m. I wake up, get up, freshen up, and work out for 30 minutes. Then I take out the trash and pick up some groceries. Later, I drop off my kids at a friend's house. After that, I eat out with friends and hang out at the cafe. When I get home, I take off my shoes, wind down, and finally turn in around 11 p.m.
Wow, that's almost like a weekend adventure. And we naturally use sleep in, wake up, get up, freshen up, work out, take out, pick up, drop off, eat out, hang out, take off, wind down, and turn in.
Exactly. That's how you remember phrasal verbs in context.
Before we wrap up, let's do a mini quiz. I'll say a scenario, and Ben will suggest the right phrasal verb.
Challenge accepted.
Scenario 1. You open your eyes at 7 a.m. but stay in bed until 7:30. What do you do at 7 a.m.?
Wake up.
Good. And when you finally leave the bed?
Get up.
Scenario 2. You visit a friend without telling them.
Drop by.
Scenario 3. You need to relax after work.
Wind down.
Scenario 4. You don't have to wake up early on a Saturday.
Sleep in.
Scenario 5. You take your little brother to school.
Drop off.
Scenario 6. You meet a friend for coffee casually.
Hang out.
Scenario 7. You remove your coat when you enter the house.
Take off.
Scenario 8. You go to the gym in the morning.
Work out.
Perfect. English learners, try to make your own sentences with these phrasal verbs.
Exactly. These are small but powerful ways to sound natural in English.
Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Don't just memorize, use them in your daily life.
Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to catch up on our previous episodes and keep practicing, and please subscribe if you haven't already so you can keep learning with us every week. See you next time.